Caramoran watching. This is the Luminare street dance competition held in honor of Saint John the Baptist. Fiesta na po dito sa Caramoran, and this is how they celebrate it. Ito po ang Luminare Street Dance Competition, at nandito po tayo. Ang napapanood nyo po ngayon ay ang performance ng Barangay Toytoy. Ito ang performances ng Barangay Toytoy. This is the Luminare Street Dance Competition. We have 4 contingents for this evening. Ayan po, thank you so much sa mga followers natin dyan from the municipality of Caramoran. Congratulations po sa LGU Caramoran. Congratulations din sa parish ng Caramoran for this kind of celebration being held yearly dito sa municipality of Caramoran in honor of Saint John the Baptist. Viva San Juan Bautista. Again, you are watching the performance of the dancers from Barangay Toytoy. This is the first contingent. Maya po may showdown pa po sila doon sa kanilang municipal plaza sa covered court katabi ng municipal hall. So ang tabayanan yan ng aking mga updates, ang tabayanan ng upload dito sa Happy Islander TV, your travel companion in Bicolandia and beyond. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-follow sa akin, go ahead and follow Happy Islander TV. Ayan po, makikita nyo po itong performances, the photos and videos from their performances. Ayan. So we're gonna get back to them. This is the first clip from this first contingent dito sa Luminare Street Dance Competition here in the municipality of Caramoran, the happy island of Catanduanes. Indeed, Viva Señor San Juan, ang kanilang patron saint dito sa municipality of Caramoran. Congratulations on that performance, Barangay Toytoy. We move on to the next contingent. Dito, 4 ang contingents natin. Again, this is Barangay Toytoy. We are here. Happy Islander TV is here in the municipality of Caramoran in the celebration of their town fiesta. Follow me, Happy Islander TV, your travel companion in Bicolandia and beyond.